How to get Gley Spiral Catalyst in the first Descendant game on your PC, on your laptop, or wherever device you're using it right now. What you have to do is simply watch this video till the end and follow some genuine steps which I'm showing you on screen right now with the help of this official website as you can see in front of you. What you need to do is open the game and follow the steps I'm showing you. The item is Gley Spiral Catalyst Blueprint and how to get intercept battle common hangman asmorphous battle pattern 050 required, intercept battle common devoter and the same required. Next is Agna Desert normal void fusion reactor is required. White Knight clutch hard abyssal void fusion reactor is also required to get this. So this is about the video. Thank you so much for watching it and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates, reviews and smart videos like this. Keep watching, keep loving.